tell you about that.
Let's roll around and check some stuff out. As always, if I'm walking around and checking out some stuff, you guys want to see something a little bit better? Tom, what's going on, Tom? First comment goes to Tom from Portland. What's up, Tom from Portland? Like I was saying, if I'm walking around and you guys want to see something in a little bit more detail, I will attempt to do my best to check the comments and go back to that stuff. And as always, try to throw in the comments where you guys are watching from. Got Paul's caddy. Morning from Arizona. Bob. Jose. What's going on, Jose? Wendell. What's going on, Wendell? Nice 55 rolling in here. Let's get that rolling in. Come over here and try not to get hit. Good morning from Tennessee, Mike. What's going on, Mike? Luck from Belgium. John. What's going on, John? Mike. Morning. 55 Coda. You know what? The younger gentleman that drives that car, I need to hit him up because that thing's really cool, and he's always got a smile on his face and pulling in here. And really nice 55. Morning, how you doing? Good. Really nice truck. Cool truck over here. Ooh, one of my favorites, Buick Grand National. Either an 86 or an 87. And the T-top version. You could tell from the front if it's a 86 or an 87 at least, depending which one it is, because the 87 had the all black in the front and the 86 had the chrome in the front. Good looking car. Really nice roadster right in front of it also. Good morning. Checking in. Missed the old feeds. Too short over the past year or so. Okay. Well, we'll try to make sure we try to walk as much of the lot as we can today. Thomas.
Hey, Charlie.
A lot of really cool cars and trucks over here up in front. Good morning from Finland. Petri, or Petri. Hopefully I'm getting your name right there. Good morning, watching from Tampa. Nice. Good looking Ford truck over here too. Looks like it's got a new Cobra motor in it. Oh wow. Huh. Wow. Interesting. Looks like they crammed a 03, 04 Cobra motor with the 6-speed in there. Morning. Is this one of yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
You put a 03 or 04 Cobra motor in it, huh?
Yeah, 02, 04. Yeah.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah. With a 4.6.
Yeah.
Small one.
Yeah. It's kind of a very unique motor to put in a old car.
Yeah, it's worked out real well.
Yeah, I bet. It probably runs really good, I bet.
It does.
Have you had it dynoed?
No, I haven't yet, but you know, it's funny, but I've probably done the next year I will.
Yeah. So it's like what 450, 400,
About
400,
I understand 400 of both the horsepower and the torque.
somewhere in there. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a 6-speed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, the transmission.
Yeah, I bet it looks really good in there. And what year's the truck?
40.
A 40.
Yeah.
That's a really nice color too. Great looking truck.
Going back to 65. Yeah. Or going down to Pacific.
Wow, interesting. You don't see those 03, 04 Cobra motors, the supercharged modular Cobra motors too much. Got Montana plates. Interesting.
What are you going to sell?
Good looking truck. What's happening? It's an interesting truck.
What's that?
It's an interesting truck.
Yeah, there's some nice cars here.
Yeah.
I like the flat black.
Yeah, it's cool, huh? I think is this the one? I think it has purple. If I remember the one, it's got like purple wheels on it almost. Oh yeah. You saw my what?
Dodge wagon down this line.
Oh yeah, the blue one. Yeah.
You'd be styling. Not as nice as the Cadillac.
Not as nice as the Cadillac.
A couple nice little Mustangs.
Yeah.
Busy this morning.
It is pretty busy, huh? Yeah.
Buddy and the gang's down there.
Yes, they are. Yeah. Oh, is Danny here too?
Yeah.
Oh, he is. I didn't see him pull in. This one's for sale.
Can't afford that.
There's the details on it. I'm not sure how much. Is that how much they want for it? Oh, they want 40,000. Yeah, 40,000. Good guess. That's how much it is for sale.
40K, I'm sorry. When I looked at that, I thought they meant my brain's not working. I thought they meant 40 grand.
Oh, okay. It's got AC. It's a good looking car. I like the stripe on this side too. Is it a 64? Oh, it's a 68.
67.
This is a 68, it says. That's what it says. One owner car. It's a good looking car. Cool color too. I like the color.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's a factory color. Yeah.
Clean. I mean, they did a nice job on it.
New radiator. New looking radiator at least, huh?
289.
Yeah. It's nice.
Very nice.
Got the convertible next to it.
That's a nice hit on it. You like that?
A Sienna.
Yeah.
Not as nice as this here without the. You don't have a back of a car or a windshield. You got a little less weight to worry about.
This big explosion in the South Pacific that happened 6 months ago. That's put up.
Larry, what's going on, Larry?
It's what you call your basic car.
Tom says hi, Dale. Yep. Tom says hi. Tom. Not sure. The sticker over here. You have a fan base now, Dale. You have a fan base now.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Actually, wish you kept the car.
Did you check out his son's 55?
No.
Yeah, it's right over here. Looks nice. Morning. Michael, yeah. Yeah, he's a really nice. I say kid. He's the same age as me, but
Yeah, he's
his kid.
He's standing there with white hair. I'm like, what the?
I really like this Cadillac too.
This one?
This one right here. I forget what year it is. I want to say it's I'm not sure what year it is. I really like it though. You know, it's funny. The first time he brought this car here, it had it had Tommy Bahama folding chair in it, and the interior was all gone.
Really?
Yeah, it was really cool. It was really funny. He did such a nice job on the interior. I really like it. Need to ask him where he got the interior done. Alamo City, hi from the UK.
It's a unique Cadillac
Yeah, it's really. I want to say it's like a 38 or a 39.
with the lights on the back, the little flares.
Yeah.
Derelicts.
I really like it. They did a really nice job with the interior, the way they did the AC and stuff too. It's a really nice.
Yeah.
I like the skeleton that Dylan put in the car too.
Those taillights are unique.
Yeah, they're cool. It's a good looking car. Nice little BMW too. The fender flares and stuff on it. Little supercharger. That's a cool BMW. Yeah, that's his new car.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a four-door.
Yeah. Michael's new car. Nice clean four-door, I think.
Yeah.
It's a good looking car. I like it.
Becoming a lot more popular.
What's that?
Four-doors are becoming a lot more popular.
You know what's weird is in the last like year or so, if you look at prices, the four doors, yeah, the man, the myth. See, that truck has the same exact motor that car has in it that we were just looking at. That supercharged modular Ford motor.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And the thing that's interesting is that's a quad cab Mercury truck.
What?
Yeah. It's very, very, very unique. Yeah. I don't know. I forget what year it is, but it's very unique. It's a Mercury truck. It's very interesting.
I've never heard of that.
Yeah, I didn't either until I've seen his. But the four-door prices and the two-door prices are interesting because they're almost the same now. It's really, it's interesting.
It says right on it, doesn't it?
Yeah, no, it's a Mercury truck.
I've never seen that. Never heard of it.
Yeah,
Tailgate too.
yeah.
That's kind of
No, he's had a couple of them.
wow.
Yeah. We'll swoop around and check it out.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's a good looking car, huh?
Yep.
I mean, you could do or, be with or without. What's up, Paige? You could do with or without the steering wheel. That's kind of, interesting. But other than that, it's pretty. The steering wheel, I said.
Yeah.
It's kind of funky looking, but other than that, who cares? It's cool.
Just booms on it.
Yeah, it's cool. I like it. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. All right, let's keep cruising.
I'm just joking.
Morning from Texas.
He's
What's
always
going
like
on?
that. He's on the verge of going to jail every time I see him. Nervous rat. Oh my God. You know what? He's here for the
It's got a cool four-door wagon. Nice Nova.
Connor, no.
This is a really nice here.
Oh yeah.
I like that.
I got one somewhere.
It's a Cadillac.
That's really nice.
I'm telling you, you need to buy one.
This one right here?
Yeah.
I'll take this.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, that's really nice. Look how clean the engine compartment is on that. Oh, that's a DeSoto.
Soda, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's the.
Tell your wife.
Those are old neighbors. You remember that? Remember they are old neighbors? No.
No, I don't.
Oh,
Across the street?
No, next door.
Oh,
They,
really?
if you're looking at her house, they lived on the left-hand side.
I never met him.
Oh, really? You did?
In Huntington there.
Yeah.
Oh, really? I
Yeah.
didn't think you guys got along very well.
No, not the people on the right. On the people on the left.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Turned around.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
How about a cobra? All right, let's go check out. Let's check out the cobra. Check out the cobra. What do you think about the color?
I like it.
Yeah, it's a good looking color.
Yeah, it's different.
It's like a deep aqua kind of. Nice color. 66 mercury, half ton. Oh, that's interesting. I think that's true. The gentleman on here was saying that I think I know this actually, that a lot of the trucks that were built that were mercury were trucks that were exported to Canada.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We'll have to ask Rome. Rome would know.
Wow, that makes sense.
Yeah.
I mean,
a lot of the
I never saw one.
because somebody had actually, now that I think about that, somebody that's brought one, somebody that brought a Ford paneled truck here that was a Mercury paneled wagon that I'd never seen before. It's down in Nova. Ozark, Missouri. Yeah, Dylan should know. Totally. I like the color combo of that 56. A little different. Yeah. All right. What's up with the magazine?
That's Matt.
What's up, man? How you doing? Nice to see you. The propaganda.
Yes. I'm so good.
We got it for change his Porsche.
I'm always like, what are you doing with this Porsche, dude?
Who's that weird looking guy in that Porsche?
That's the best, dude.
Who's that weird guy holding that sign?
Yeah.
Who's that
I know
weird?
that page, though.
Who's that weirdo holding that
Cars
sign?
only over here, buddy.
This one's
So, hey, tell me all about this magazine. Telling me all about this magazine.
No, what's that?
coming out with a magazine. It's going to be more art driven rather than like typical car magazine.
Uh-huh.
So it's going to be a lot of photos, not any editorials, no words, all graphic design. We have multiple photographers contributing to it. Heck Tattoo is one of them. And then I have a gentleman in Japan that's sending me some photos of like the lowrider culture there.
Okay.
So for the first issue, we're going to put together what we have. And then there'll be a follow-up issue in December.
So, how would people go about getting this magazine? You go on your website and get it?
Yeah, going on the website. On Instagram, I'll keep it well informed of how to get it, and then I'll populate the website and get it going. So you could purchase it directly from the website.
And which is what?
MattBlackCompany.com.
Okay, and they go there and they could just buy the magazine. It's like a yearly thing or just like a monthly?
No, it's going to be not a monthly nor year. It's going to be quarterly.
Okay.
And it's not going to be subscription based. It'll be like one-time purchase. And so, yeah, it'll just be purchasing the magazine every time it's dropped. And then there'll be a short, small collection that follows up. So this one's going to have pendants, sweaters, tees, and hats.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
And that's why I'd seen you post something about getting the magazine, the actual like blank shirts.
Yeah. So getting all the blank product. But it's going to be the worst magazine you've ever purchased. So I would tell you not to buy it.
Okay, so don't buy it, but go online and
Don't buy it. Just look at it, but don't buy it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So go somewhere and steal it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give the digital copy to it, so you just give it to all your friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like go to like.
It's like buying Netflix and sharing the password.
So go to like Napster and download it or something.
Exactly.
Okay. Cool. All right.
Thank you.
You got it. All right.
I was too We can hook you up.
I like your 55. We went and looked at your 55. I like it.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, it's nice. Good. I like it. Pretty darn nice. Pretty darn nice. Pretty darn nice. All right. Jake bought this bad boy from Javier. I really like this car. It's like a one-of-one hydraulic Merc. He bought it from somebody that comes here. Really, really like.
Is that a shoebox?
This is a Mercury.
Oh, it has to be a shoebox.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a Mercury. It's a.
I don't know, it sounds stupid. Is it a car and make that's
It's a
shoebox?
it's a Ford that's kind of in the shape a little bit, but it's different. It's a different car. Yeah. Like Danny's old car. It's a different car. It's a Ford. But it's a different car. Lori, good morning. Yeah, it's really nice, and it's cool too. If you come over here, it's on hydraulics, and it's actually body dropped. It's hard to tell, but if you were to open the door, the body is this much higher, so the floor's up higher, so it's not like they chopped. So they chopped the floor and actually moved the floor up, so it's not. So you didn't have to chop the top to get it down so low. You know what I mean?
Kind of like my car.
What's that?
Kind of like my car.
Exactly. Yeah, he's pretty stoked about it. He's excited.
Yeah, it's a nice car.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, he had the 50. He had that blue 50. He goes through a lot of cars. Say that kid, the orange or the yellowish hat. Oh, cool. Good morning. Good morning. I'm excited that he bought this from Javier.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
But that's it. Like you said, that's a Tobor build.
Yeah.
Which is really
It's a beautiful
It's a
car.
beautiful car.
Yeah. It's really nice.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah. I need it. I want to go check out the Pinky over here. Let's go look at the Pinky.
It'll be 4 months next week.
Same litter.
I'm going to go around this way. I'm going to go around this way to check out the Pinky. Whoa. Ow. All right. What do we got here? This thing's really cool. What's up, Mike? How you doing?
Good morning.
Living the dream?
Always.
Nice.
Nice Superbird here, huh?
Yeah, it's really pretty. When he came in this morning, really, really nice.
Mike's gonna build it for me.
Really nice Superbird. If you're interested in the Mopar stuff. Dave, what's going on, Dave?
That one's a 47.
Did you wear your pink shirt for this car this morning?
To match. That's my car.
That's the good part. Two puppies? Two new puppies? And I've been working on it. Just did the battery. I'm gonna yank the engine. And I'm gonna
Good looking Superbird.
Yeah. I'm made
There's several Mopar cars.
Yeah, I guess.
Remember, you've met him before. The gentleman has a really, really big dog. Got that huge black dog.
Oh.
That's usually in the back of his car.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the Steelers stuff usually.
I don't think I noticed. I noticed the dogs.
Oh, yeah. Got a huge.
The dogs and me have a better rapport than people.
Yeah. You want to go look at this guy real quick? Nice Cougar?
Sit.
Yeah, it's cool. It's got like a sequential like shifter thing too. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's got the, like I said, it's got a modular supercharged new motor in it.
Nothing but energy, right?
Yeah.
Chocolate love?
Yeah.
Big for 15 minutes.
Mustang seats.
Yeah. Yep.
Springy house.
Oh yeah.
Pink power. Yep. There you go, Lori. Got the pink power. You got Rome's Mercury quad cab truck. I think this is the only car that he says that he doesn't want to sell.
Sorry?
This is the only car that he has. He says he doesn't want to sell.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sauce pipe on your puppy?
What's that? Oh yeah. 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 To walk by it quite a bit and not, know it's got a new motor in it either.
You think your mom could get that?
There you go. Yep.
I don't think so.
I think so. With a shoehorn, maybe. See, this isn't like yours. He kept it's got a 04 Cobra motor in it.
Yeah, I think it's cool.
Yeah. Same concept though.
Yeah. But a much more expensive motor.
That's true. Especially when it breaks.
Yeah. Yeah, when I break mine, I can buy a new one for $500.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can go back over and over. We got a cool little Nash over here. Is Lindsay there with her Blazer? She is actually, Jeff.
Okay, stand back.
Let's see, where is it parked? Nice Hemi in that. Albert, David, from Danville.
Want me to get the frame going?
Sounds really nice. Rick, thanks for watching, Rick. Really nice color. I like the emblem, huh?
I want the emblem.
Cool Nash. I like it. I like it.
One guy can hold my arm.
You got the tow truck. What'd you say? I'm sorry.
Is that, we talked to that guy a while back.
Which guy?
The Porsche.
Oh, the Porsche guy? Yeah.
Oh, we got the dribbles.
Uh-oh. That's not good. This wagon that you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got you written on it.
Yeah, I'd never seen him drive that until like a couple weeks ago. See, I really like this car. It's kind of a unique car.
Yeah.
A Dodge two-door wagon. Never seen one. I forgot what he said. I think he said it's a 55, but I could be wrong. I believe he said it's 55. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
I don't think I did.